Good evening everyone. I am Neha Kumari Mandal from NA. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss different current affairs related to agriculture and allied sectors. Nowadays, current affairs related to agriculture are very important because now it is coming in different exams like JRF, SRF and other competitive exams like AFO and also in BHU like exams. So, for getting the best result, be with us till the end of this video. Starting from various agricultural products which got geographical indication tag from India to different important varieties related to agriculture and different products which are exported from India to other countries and recent news related to agriculture, all are covered in this video. So for getting the best result, be with us up to the end and watch. So now coming to our first topic, different products which got geographical indication tag during the year 2020 and 21. The first product is saffron or jaffran which got geographical indication tag from the state Jammu and Kashmir. Another product which got GI tag from the same state is gakki mushroom, which is a type of mushroom and this is world costliest mushroom. Now the third product is chak hao or black rice which is got GI tag from the state Manipur. Now in Manipuri language, chak means rice and hao means delicious. So chak hao is known as delicious rice in Manipuri language. A chili variety, Dalle Khoshani, got GI tag from the state Sikkim. It is a local landrace found in Sikkim and Darjeeling Hills of West Bengal. It belongs to the Capsicum annum and scientists reported that it is a allopolyploid cultivar which has chromosome number 2n equal to 4x equal to 48. Another chili variety which got GI tag is Raja Mirch or King chili, that is from Nagaland. It is nothing but a local landrace, or you can say it is a ecotype of Bhut Jalakia of Assam. Now Bhut Jalakia is the most pungent chili of India which is also known as ghost pepper. And another ecotype of this is known as Ewe Morok in the state Manipur. Now in recent 2 years, 4 products got GI tag from the state of Assam. The first product is Tejpur Lychee. The second product is Kaji Nimbu, which is a variety of citrus. The third product is Boka Shaul, which is known as magic rice in Assam. And the fourth product is another rice variety, Chokua rice, which is known as unique gift of nature in Assamese language. Kala Jeera, which is also known as black cumin, got GI tag from Himachal Pradesh. Another product which got GI tag from Himachal Pradesh is Chuli Oil or dried apricot oil. Chuli is a local variety of apricot which is indigenous to India, and oil extracted from that chuli is known as chuli oil, which have various type of medicinal properties like it can also prevent cancer and tumors. Now from Odisha, a tamarind variety Kandhamal Haldi got GI tag. From Goa, 3 products got GI tag in these 2 years. The first is Harmal chili. The second is another chili variety Khola chili, which is also known as Canacona chili in the Union Territory Goa. The third is Moira banana or Mindoli banana from Goa. From the state of Chhattisgarh, a rice variety known as Jeera Phul got the GI tag, and it is a super fine variety of rice. Two products got GI tag from the state of Kerala. One is Thiru betel leaf and the another is Marayur jaggery. Two varieties of coffee got GI tag from the state of Karnataka. One is Chikmagalur Arabica coffee and another is Baba Budangiri Arabica coffee. In this context, I want to mention that Baba Budan was an pilgrim who brought 7 coffee seeds to India, and that is the first exotic introduction of coffee to India, and later British introduced coffee plantation for commercial cultivation in our country. And another coffee variety which got GI tag from Kerala is Wayanad Robusta coffee. Now here are some products which are exported from India recently to various countries. The first product is Burmese Grape, which is exported for the first time from Assam to Dubai. Burmese Grape is known as Lateku in Assamese language, and the family of Burmese Grape is Phyllanthus, which is the family of Indian gooseberry or Aola. Now another product got exported from Assam, that is Bao Dhan or red rice, to USA, and Bao Dhan or red rice is a iron rich variety of rice. From Kashmir Valley, Mishri cherry got exported to Dubai, which is a famous variety of cherry. From Bihar, Shahi chili is exported to United Kingdom, and Shahi chili is also got GI tag recently. From Tamil Nadu, Madurai Malli or Madurai Malic is exported to USA and Dubai, and Madurai is known as Jasmine capital of India because in Madurai there is a large portion of production of jasmine in our country. And another product which is exported from India to Kenya and Sri Lanka is Bhalia wheat, which is indigenous to Gujarat. Now comes to the different research centers and other gardens which are related to agriculture. The first is Moss Garden, which is located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand, and the purpose of this garden is to preserve various type of bryophytes. The second is Orchid Conservation Center, which is also from the same state Uttarakhand, and this center is inaugurated to preserve the different endemic species of orchid which are indigenous to Himalaya and that are also endangered species. The third is important Cryptogrammic Garden. This is inaugurated recently in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and the word cryptogamic means hidden reproduction. So what is actually this hidden reproduction? This is the plants which don't produce any flowers or fruits for their reproduction purpose. So like mosses or ferns, they don't produce any flowers or fruits, so they comes under the cryptogamic plants, and in this garden these plants are accumulated. Now here are some different other centers like National Institute of Cell Science, which is located in Pune district of Maharashtra. And this center deals with tissue culture, plant biotechnology, different biotechnological aspects, genetic engineering, etc. A flower processing center is inaugurated in the state of Karnataka recently. In this center, various products from flowers are made like dry flowers, different organic colors, etc. And in this context, I want to mention that Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin is the largest producer of dry flowers among our country, from where major dry flower products are exported various parts. The third is National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, which is located in Hyderabad. And this center focuses on animal genetics, animal bioinformatics, animal reproduction, biotechnology related to animals, and the preservation of different indigenous breeds like different breeds of cow and buffaloes. Now here are some other things which are related to agriculture. The first is Milk ATM, which is inaugurated in Anand district of Gujarat. Now the famous milk company Amul is also located in the same district, and the full form of Amul is Anand Milk Union Limited. So this is important. The second is Grain ATM, which is inaugurated in Haryana, the Gurgaon district. The third important is ATM on houseboat, that is inaugurated in Dal Lake, Kashmir. So this is the second ATM which is on water. The first ATM on water is inaugurated in the state Kerala, and this ATM on houseboat is inaugurated with the help of State Bank of India. Now here are some important varieties related to agriculture which are recently released. The first variety is flood resistant rice, which are recently cultivated in the state of Assam. As we know that every year heavy flood occurs in the Brahmaputra river of Assam, which submerge the rice fields nearby. So a heavy crop loss occurs every year in Assam. For combating this loss due to flood, Assam government decided to cultivate flood resistant rice which can tolerate this flood condition. Guinar 4 and Guinar 5 are two high oleic acid rich groundnut variety which are released from ICRISAT. Now ICRISAT is the only international institute based on agriculture that is located in India. ICRISAT is located in Hyderabad, and this institute established in the year of 1972. CR Dhan is a rice variety which is rich in zinc. Netra Bhaman, that is a dwarf cashew variety, is released by Directorate of Cashew Research, and Directorate of Cashew Research is located at Karnataka. Pokkali rice is from Kerala, which is a salt tolerant rice variety. Now in this context, I also want to mention that this Pokkali rice now started to cultivate in some areas of West Bengal, because in some areas of West Bengal near to Bay of Bengal, that Sundarban area, that is actually salt affected area, and every year due to natural calamities like Amphan or Yash, sea water enters in the fields of that area that affects the rice cultivation. So here are some mobile based applications which are related to agriculture and allied fields. The first is Kishan Rath. Kishan Rath is a mobile app that facilitates farmers, FPOs and traders across the country. So what does the app really does? This Kishan Rath app minimizes the role of middlemen between the farmers and the traders. For that, farmer directly can sell their product to traders, and that this can help to increase the income of farmers. The second important application is Kisan Suvidha, which is an omnibus mobile app developed to help farmers to get relevant information instantly. This app provides information on various details such as fertilizers, agriculture machinery, weather, market prices, IPM practices, etc. The third important application is Arpo, which is launched by ICR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bengaluru. From this app, farmers can get the information of recent varieties released from IIHR, recent technologies, etc. Another important app is Matsya Setu, launched by Union Ministry of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry. And this app is launched by ICR with the collaboration of Center Inland of Freshwater Aquaculture, which is located in Bhubaneswar. And this will also help aqua farmers throughout our country. Now, at last, here are some important news related to agriculture. Recently, 4 new wetland sites are added in the list of Ramsar wetlands. And now the total number of Ramsar sites in India is 46. Among the 46 Ramsar sites, Chilka Lake from Odisha is the largest Ramsar site located in India. India's largest floating solar power plant is set to come up in the state Telangana. And Telangana is the first state to fully ban the use of glyphosate. Now, government has implemented Bharatiya Prakritik Krishi Paddhati, which is nothing but a substream of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. And Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana is launched in the year 2015. A new fruit known as monk fruit is introduced to Kulu Valley of Himachal Pradesh from China, and it is introduced by CSIR IHBT, which is located in Palanpur. This monk fruit belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae, and this monk fruit was first time observed by Chinese monks in 13th century. For this fruit is given name monk fruit. And for the first time, hing or Ferula asafoetida cultivation is started in Himachal Pradesh at Lahaul and Spiti Valley by Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who is the director of CSIR IHBT Palanpur. A new machine, anti-hail gun, has been developed by IIT Bombay along with Dr. YSR Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry, which is located at Nauni, Solar. Now, what is anti-hail gun? It is a machine which generates shock waves to disrupt the growth of hailstones in clouds. So, why this anti-hail gun is developed? Every year, Himachal faces many hailstorms which destroys the flowers of different temperate fruits and vegetables, and for combating this problem, anti-hail gun is developed. Thanks for watching our video up to this. If you find this useful, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe. And obviously, not forget to press the bell icon to get various important information related to our YouTube channel. And the joining link of Telegram, Instagram are given in the comment box, where you can find different current topics and different other various exam related things in that. And also we are providing many quizzes in our Telegram group on the daily basis. And if you find this video useful, or if you want other videos like this in future, then don't forget to comment below and also drop a message in our WhatsApp number. Thank you.